Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru Outback key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these ready ensures a quick and easy replacement. This simple process will restore full functionality to your key fob, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them together until they snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's sealed. Now, test all the buttons to confirm everything is working correctly. You should hear your car respond to the lock and unlock commands. For more great deals, including the Kindle Paperwhite mentioned, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.